Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss our project structure which we have created in our previous video. So let's begin. So at the very first, we got this class main activity and this class inherited with component activity. This is also a class which comes with pre-made functions and that functions called activity lifecycle. And this is the first lifecycle function what called when our application run in our device or emulator. And inside that, we have used this function set content, and with that we are setting our content and we are telling this activity or this class draw all this UI component inside the view. Okay, so with that we set our own theme. So this is the composable function and we can customize this later on. So we will go digger deep inside that function later, and after that we need some layout to draw our UI. So for that we got a composable function that is called scaffold, and this function comes with pre-built layout structure and also comes with some rules, and inside it we have set modifier dot fill max size. That means that we are telling this layout that please cover the whole height width of that font. So and inside that we made some function, composable function. So this is the normal function, and by adding this add composable we convert this into a component, a UI component. With that we are able to call all UI related component which is written by the library behind the scene. For example, if you want to show some text inside our view, so here is the text function, okay, and we call that greeting function inside that scaffold, means inside that layout, and this function accepting some parameter, also some default parameter. This is the name and this is the modifier. So whenever we call this function, we need to pass the name inside that function because this name doesn't contain any default values. Okay, so we set that name inside this text, and whenever we run this application we got that name on the layout. This is the greeting function, okay, and here we got a greeting preview function. What this does is it's generate a preview for our composable function, this composable function. Okay, so if you coming from XML background, you know we have a preview window, means whatever code we write for UI, that code got rendered in that preview window. Okay, so for the composable we got at preview annotation, and what this does is generate a preview for that composable function or whatever composable function you called inside that compose function. Okay, so I will show you here. You got two window. Okay, the first one is the code window and second one is split code window. Okay, so as you can see here, here is it's saying that hello Android, and since we can compile directly the composable function or we can generate directly composable function preview, so we don't have to run that application in the device. Okay, we can directly generate preview inside using this annotation. If I change anything here, let's say hello, welcome to, okay, so what this does is generate preview with the new changes. So let's wait for some time and let's see. I need to put these values inside the preview window. Okay, and as you can see here, what it does is compile the code and generate a preview for us with the new value, as you can see here. Okay, and now let's see our project structure, means folder structure. So at the very first we got manifest folder, and inside it we put all our permission related stuff, means whatever permission you want to get from user, so you specify that permission here. Also you define your application theme and your application name, your activity and that activity theme, everything, and also the intent filter. This intent filter decide which activity should run first, and we will use this window later whenever we need to define any permission related stuff. And after that you will got that Kotlin plus Java file. Since Kotlin support interoperability, so you can code in Java or in Kotlin and you can combine both code. So that's why means the folder name is Kotlin plus Java, and inside that you got that com Takniki Niga, my first project, and inside that you got all the project related stuff, means all your coding parts say. Okay, so we got our main activity here. In the UI section we got our application theme color and application themes and bit customization here, and also type. Type means the font stuff. Okay, means whatever font you want to keep for your application. So you have to decide that here. And whenever you need to put any kind of resource like image, videos, MP3 or any JSON file, this resource file is responsible for that. And so you have to put that resources here. So for icon and images, you use this drawable file. But when we should use this map file? Whenever you need to change your application icon, then you need to put that file here. So for now, leave this file as it is. Okay, don't worry about that, and we will cover this file later. That is important too. Okay, and here in the value section, we can put some default color and default strings and the theme. This theme is responsible for our main activity. This is not the actual theme. This is the actual theme which we are going to be inflated inside our whole application. So that's the folder structure, and here is a bin.gradle.ktls. That file is responsible to hold all our library related stuff. So when we building our application, we will use all this stuff. Means this library file, this folder stuff, and these files. We will got used to these things. So don't worry about it if you get confused, and just start building with this main activity. You don't have to worry about this. Okay, so when I create some files and put some files inside that folder or remove files, I will guide you while doing that. And if you got understand all of that stuff, best of luck. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy this and learn something new. Hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new on this channel, press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So whenever I put any new video on my channel, you will get notified. Bye bye.